For Miss Candidate number 1, what is the biggest challenge you faced in the contest and how did you overcome it? Ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na iyong hinarap sa kompetisyon na ito? At paano mo ito nalampasan? You can answer it in English or in Filipino.
Good evening and thank you for that wonderful question. As a beauty queen joining in pageant, I've been experiencing before being body shamed and being bullied by the other people. But this doesn't define what I am, and I can overcome this through I have overcome this fear through joining in pageant and showing to those people that whatever they say, whatever they tell, and whatever word that they throw to me, it will never define myself. And I want to use this. I want to use my story as an inspiration who has been experiencing body shaming and being bullied by other people to stand up and speak for yourself and know that who you are, because we will never be defined by other people. Let us always remember that we all have our individuality and uniqueness. That is all. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 1, Christine Veneros.
Well done, Christine. Thank you very much.
Up next is candidate number 2, Zarina Mayor Ayub of Nilamulag Mango Festival.
Good evening. You look very excited tonight. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Candidate number 2, your question will be coming from Mr. Vincent Sukatan.
If you are given the chance to create one song to promote your festival, what will be the title and why? Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na gumawa ng isang kanta upang i-promote ang kapistahan ng inyong lugar, ano ang magiging pamagat nito at bakit?
Well, if I am going to compose a song, it will be entitled Resiliency. Because in Zambales, we are celebrating the Nilamulag Mango Festival, highlighting the pride and agony of our mango farmers. For years, said carrying the name of our prestigious province, as the ripe and green mango represents the agony, while the yellow golden mirror the triumph. But we Zambaleños believe that resiliency is always the spirit that we inherit from Ramon Galipiero Magsaysay. We are one, surviving, fighting, and achieving. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2, Zarina. That was a job well done. Now let's go to candidate number 3, Prima Zoyna Calaban, representing from Bobok Festival. Your question will be coming from Mr. SLT.
Hello, good evening. Hi. So your question is, what is the most important lesson you've learned from your elders, parents, teachers, or friends? Ano ang pinakamahalagang aral na natutunan mo mula sa iyong mga nakakatanda, magulang, guro, o kaibigan?
The most important lesson that I've learned from the people around me is to believe in myself. Because they too believed in me. As you can see, I brought my whole city in this competition. And with that, if I believe in myself, I know that I can use my voice, my strength, my skills and talent to help those who are in need and to advocate for for those who are also not believing in themselves to have the power to rise above their circumstances. Thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 3. And our supporters is just making the noise. Okay, let's move on with candidate number 4 from Fiesta Republica, Arabel Mamahas.
Good evening.
Good evening, Arabel. Your question will be coming from Mr. Jerry Reddy.
Yes, good evening. Culture plays a big role in keeping fiestas. What can you do to preserve and promote your own local culture? Malaking papel ang ginagampanan ng kultura sa mga pisikang Pilipino. Ano ang makagawa mo, mapapanatili at mapromote ang iyong sariling lokal na kultura?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a staunch advocate for preservation of history and culture, I would like to use an adaptive use of technology to preserve our history and also do profiling and making help with the national government. That's why, as your first ever queen to represent Fiesta Republica on this very stage, I would like to use this platform and to vow to work together with our Aliwan team and our national government to fulfill this mission, to make my fiesta be known and be a national history and national holiday for us in Bulacan and in the whole Philippines. And with the preservation, I would like to also make projects together with the providing of the views together and work together with the new and modernization of our country. And by the end of this night, may I leave a lasting or impactful impact as a queen of action and purpose, that I may live up to our history and make my own legacy as a Reyna ng Aliwan. Vamos a Manolos and Viva Aliwan Fiesta! Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4, Arabel. Now, join us, candidate number 5, Resalina Toledo of Tayong Tayong Festival. Hello, wow, you look very stunning. How are you?
I'm so happy to be here to represent Tayong once again.
That's awesome. Now, Resalina, your question will be coming from Mr. Jojo Bragais.
Hello, candidate number 5.
Hello po, good evening.
Okay, so pwede kang sumagot kung saan language ka komportable. So the question is either in English or Tagalog. Okay, your question is, can you describe a personal challenge you faced in the past and what have you learned from it? Maaari mo bang ilarawan ang isang personal na pagsubok na iyong hinarap at ano ang iyong natutunan mula dito?
Thank you. As a woman who worked at the age of 9, I'm proudly standing here in front of you to represent my hometown. The challenge that I faced when I was young is to not capable of studying, so I had to work at the age of 9, doing some work of adult. And now I learned a lot. Because of that experience, here I am, standing in front of you, having a bachelor degree, and pursuing law. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much, candidate number 5.
Okay, next is candidate number 6, Rayleigh Jane Villaray of Grand Amuan Festival. Hello to you, Rayleigh. Kumusta ka naman tonight?
Hello, Ms. Jasmine. I'm very happy to be representing Nueva Vizcaya at the stage.
Alright.
Okay, so if you're ready, your question will be coming from Lakay Deo Lakan.
Candidate number 6. Ang ating tanong ay, what skills or talents do you believe is necessary to excel in this competition? Ano Anong mga kasanayan o talento na sa tingin mo ay kinakailangan upang magtagumpay sa kompetisyong ito?
Arena ng Aliwan is a representation of her province and their festivals. And with that, she will be interacting with a lot of people coming from all over the Philippines. And with this, I think that Arena ng Aliwan should have communication skills and ability to adapt to whatever situation she is. Because in every situation, there will be external factors, and these we have no control of. But what we can control is how we absorb this and how we react. And that, I believe, if I exemplify that, then I can be Arena ng Aliwan in my own little way. And having to stand here as the first representative of the Grand Amuman Festival of Nueva Vizcaya, I believe that I am capable of being your next Reina ng Aliwan. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much, candidate number 6. Now, Jazz, grabe yung confidence ng ladies natin, no?
Yes, this is the first batch.
That's right. And now, wrapping up, our first batch of candidates is candidate number 7. Amira Sulaiman Said, Yanomari of the Local Fishing Festival. Your question will be coming from Mr. Vincent Supatan.
Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na maging isang lingkod bayan balang araw, alin sa tatlong aspeto na ito ang iyong uunahin? Kabuhayan, turismo, o pangangalagang pangkalusugan? If you are given a chance to be a public servant one day, which one of these 3 areas will you prioritize? Livelihood, tourism, or healthcare?
A public servant must have tenacity, compassion, knowledge, and care for his or her people. And as a public servant, I would like to prioritize tourism. Tourism generates livelihood. It preserves culture. It gives education to people about our heritage, culture, identity, and traditions as Filipinos. If I had the chance and the platform, just like I have right now as Reina ng Aliwan 2024 Tacoltol Fishing Festival, I will use this platform to be a storyteller, connect people, connect islands, understand stories of our people, share them, and with that, I can inspire others to preserve the history that our ancestors passed on to us, and use that towards tourism, the livelihood of our people, and the betterment of our country. Thank you.
And thank you, candidates. That was a great first
That
batch.
was great fire. There's fire on stage.
Yes. Okay, let's now welcome our second doing tonight, Angela.
I'm doing great, and you know what they say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So if any of you notice that I've been a bit in the topsy-turvy part of my dress, don't worry, because this will never dim my light.
Okay.
Your question will be coming from Mr. Edsel T.
Yes, and your question is, how will you make a positive impact in your community after this pageant? Paano ka makakagawa ng positibong epekto sa iyong komunidad pagkatapos ng kompetisyong ito?
If you guys don't know, the Langkayo Festival from the city of Manila promotes unity and compassion towards one another in a modern way while preserving our traditions. So to create a positive impact in my community, I would promote the arts because that's what the city of Manila loves to do. We hold creatives like myself who have advocacies related to arts. So I would promote my advocacy, sustainable fashion, to help empower the youth as I have been doing since 2019. I will be promoting the tourism and also sustainability towards our youth and sustainable entrepreneurship. Because as we know, as members of the youth, it is our duty to be of service to society. Thank you.
Thank you, Angela.
Thank you, Michelle. Candidate number 8. Up next is candidate number 9, Mia Louise Tamayo of Pasigarbo Susupo Festival. How are you doing? Good. All right, your question will be coming from Mr. Sherry Garrett.
Hi, Mia.
Hello, good evening.
What achievements are you most proud of in your life? Ano ang mga nakamit mo sa buhay na tunay mong ipinagmamalaki?
There are a lot of achievements that I am very proud of, but one thing that I'm most proud of is to be here, standing in front of you, bringing the pride of Cebu, the Pasigarbo sa Cebu Festival, where we showcase not just our rich culture and diversity, local delicacies, beauty of our traditions, but we are here to give our province identity, where we promote unity and pride. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, candidate number 9, Mia. And I was asked, kala ko, full of stick neck yun.
There's so many women who are taller than me, but then we have candidate number 10 up next, Maria Sofia Reyes of Halamanan Festival. Hello, Maria.
Hello.
Another stunner. How are you feeling tonight?
Good.
Okay, so your question will be coming from Mr. Jojo Bragay.
Okay, hello, candidate number 10. Smile ka muna. Okay, so this is your question. If you have a younger sister, how will you explain to her the concept of beauty? Kung mayroon kang nakakabatang kapatid na babae, paano mo ipapaliwanag sa kanya ang konsepto ng kagandahan?
If I have a younger sister, I will tell her that beauty is not in the face, but it's a light in the heart. I believe that if we are good from the inside, it will immediately radiate from the outside. And I want to teach my younger sister that to be beautiful, one must have a head that knows what's wrong and right, a hand that is willing to help, especially those who need, and last and the most important, a heart which is compassionate and kind. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sofia Reyes.
Complete, light of the heart, head, and hands.
Correct.
All right, that's candidate number 10 for you. Ikaw na po ang susunod. Candidate number 11, Nicole Grenzo of Cebu Festival. Ang iyong tanong, Nicole, ay magagaling kay Mr. Leo Macalma.
Miss Nicole, my question is, how will you encourage the younger generations to include your province in one of their travel destinations? Paano mo hikayatin ang mas batang henerasyon na isama ang iyong probinsya sa isa sa kanilang mga travel destinations?
Okay, as an ambassadoress of Parañaque City, I'm really proud with what our city can offer, which is the LPBCHEA, wherein we showcase sustainable tourism since it is a biodiversity place wherein they can know different tactics on how we conserve our environment. Not just that, but we also have different cultural traditions like the Sunduan Festival, in which we give respect or showcase courtship, respect for femininity and community spirit. And Parañaque is not just all about the places, it's about the people. We give importance to our people since we are more labor-based, like we have Entertainment City, we have different, what do you call this, like workplace wherein we can offer not just to Parañaqueños but to all over the people within the area. That will be all. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, candidate number 11, Nicole.
Susunod na sa sala sa Q&A ay si candidate number 12, Kate Whitlet Villa from Tanog ni Ilocano Festival.
Okay.
Ang iyong tanong ay manggagaling kay Mr. Vincent Sukata.
How do you define beauty and how does it reflect in your daily life? Paano mo ipapaliwanag ang konsepto ng kagandahan? At paano ito makikita sa iyong pang-araw-araw na buhay?
I believe that beauty is not static or a one-size-fits-all concept. I believe that beauty comes from the inside. And if you are genuine and caring about what you do, this reflects and gives to people and outshines your fears and insecurities in life. And as someone who is a beauty queen, let this be a message to you that it is all about your kindness, your dedication, and your love for yourself. Because I believe that if the world is not kind to you, then be kind to yourself. Thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 12.
Okay. All right. Next candidate is candidate number 13, lucky 13, Christy Estrella of Antipolo Maytime Festival. Ang inyong tanong ay magagaling kay Mr. Edsel G.
What are your thoughts on the importance of education for young Filipinos? Ano ang iyong opinion sa kahalagahan ng edukasyon para sa mga kabataang Pilipino?
So, education is one of the relevant issues nowadays, especially to the youngers. What would I say is we must prioritize our education, not only in this time, not only for our society, but also for the Filipino people to have serenity, domination, and supremacy. Wherein unemployment is not gonna happen because we have different domination, but we need to always encourage everyone to keep going to their objective because we are Filipinos and we are exceptional by our own ways. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, candidate number 13.
Thank you very much. And that was our second batch of candidates. Another strong batch.
Yeah, so far so good.
Okay, starting off with candidate number 14, Mariel Boger ng Sinulog Festival.
Hello, Mariel. Good evening. How's it going?
Good evening. I feel good right now. I'm lighted by the senior.
Awesome.
Okay. So your question will come from Mr. Cherry Veron.
Hi, Mariel.
Hello, sir.
What is your favorite aspect of Filipino culture and why? Ano ang paborito mong aspeto ng kulturang Pilipino at bakit?
My favorite aspect of the Filipino culture is our faith. Just like in Sinulog Festival, we do not only represent the vibrant colors of the festival costumes, the great dances of each municipality that is representing their municipality, but also our faith in Santo Niño, our religion, and it commemorates the beginning of Christianity in the Philippines. So my favorite part of this Filipino culture would be our faith. Thank you.
Thank you, Mariel.
All right. It's now your turn, candidate number 15, April Joy Candafranca of Pasayahan Festival. Ang iyong tanong ay magagaling kay Mr. Jojo Bragais.
Hello, April. How are you?
Hello, I'm feeling great.
Sana all. Oh, it's okay. Question. Who has been your biggest supporter in this competition And in what way has he or she supported you? Sino ang iyong naging pinakamalaking taga-suporta sa kompetisyong ito at sa paanong paraan kanya sinuportahan?
My biggest supporter in this competition would be myself, because I have prepared a lot so that I can compete for my festival. And I believe Arena ng Aliwan is a person who has the courage to speak, connect, and unite people, and to be able to represent the festivals included in Aliwan Fiesta. And I believe I am that someone, someone who is a fighter by blood, believer by heart, and mover by mind. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 14. Sana all nga.
Sana all talaga. May Jojo Bragay. Okay, go na susunod candidate number 16. Micaela Green Egoy from Block Festival. Hi, Micaela. Okay, your question will come from Lakay Leok Macalba.
Hi, Miss Micaela. Ninenervous ka ba? Ninenervous ka?
Ninenervous ka daw ba?
Kunti lang. Okay. Madali lang ang question. How do you handle criticism and negativity? Paano mo hinaharap ang kritisismo at negativity?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I can handle criticism and negative by being myself as always and have a confidence. Whatever they say to me, I always be myself and have a confidence. And whatever they say to me, as long as I know what I'm doing and I know my dedication, I will go with my dreams and goals in life. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 16. Alam talaga ng ladies ang sarili nila, no? Self-actualize, they know themselves very well. Very important.
And that's a very important key to winning the crown.
That's great. Now up next is candidate number 17. Are you ready?
Yes.
Awesome. Juliana Luis Martinez of the Lugan Festival. Her question, Juliana, will be coming from Mr. Vincent Sukatra.
Hi, Juliana. How do you incorporate traditional Filipino values in your daily life? Paano mo isinasabuhay ang mga mabubuting asal ng Pilipino sa iyong pang-araw-araw?
My core values evolve around sustainability, cultural respect, and passion for exploration. And I consistently align this with my action by switching to eco-friendly practices and respecting the culture and traditions of the people that I visit, the places that I visit. And so as a woman of substance who has persevered throughout my life, I will encourage all of the kababayans out here to also practice this attitude wherever we are, for I firmly believe that we humans, we are the steward of our nature. And we Filipinos, we are the steward of our nation. And hopefully through this, may it prove to be worthy of this title, that I may bring pride and glory as the first Quezonian queen to hopefully capture the Aliwan round. And open a video of service to my beloved Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. Candidate number 17, Juliana.
2 more to go. Up next is candidate number 18, Suyan Laxmi Del Rosario of Hamaka Festival. Hello, Suyan. Your question will come from Mr. Edsel T.
Hi, good evening. How do you stay confident under pressure? Paano mo napapanatili ang tiwala sa sarili sa ilalim ng matinding pressure?
To be honest, before, I always doubt myself in everything that I did. I'm afraid to stand here because I'm afraid of rejection, judgment of other people. But I use this as a motivation to become the best version of myself, embracing my flaws and shaping my full potential. And that's why I am here, representing my municipality proudly.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Suyan.
Thank you, candidate number 18. Yun talaga yun. You can't be totally confident.
Yes.
No, laging may kaba. That is how you handle this.
Yes, and they handled it also well this evening.
Alright, here we go. You're up next, candidate number 19. Priyanka Elena Lorena Goswami of Kayak Festival. Looking very beautiful in white. Hello. Good evening. Your question, Priyanka, will be coming from Mr. Sherry here.
Hi, Priyanka. How do you define beauty and how does it reflect in your daily life? Paano mo ipapaliwanag ang konsepto ng kagandahan at paano ito makikita sa iyong pang-araw-araw na buhay?
Thank you so much for that question. I believe that true beauty is myself. I believe that just me standing here in front of you is a symbol of love and hope. As my province represents Ayat, it is love. I firmly believe that love encompasses everything. I believe that you can never go wrong with love. I believe that I am strong enough, even if I am emotional right now, to be standing here in hundreds and thousands of people to represent my province because I know that I got their back. I am here as a representation of the people who love my province, who love the people in my province, the environment, and God. I am here to show everyone that I can and I will. I believe that I am just not a candidate, but a queen with a heart full of wisdom and purpose. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, candidate number 19, Priyanka.
And last but not the least, candidate number 20, Angel Jed Zaragoza Latore of Pinagdang Festival. Hello to you, Angel. Your question will come from Mr. Jojo Bragais.
Hello, candidate number 20. Sabi nila basta Ilongga.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so this is your question. What steps do you take to maintain your physical and mental health? Ano ang mga hakbang na ginagawa mo upang mapanatili ang iyong physical at mental na kalusugan?
As you guys know, we are all beauty queens right here. We have a stereotype that we have to follow. We must always look perfect, slim, healthy, and stuff like that. So what I do in order to keep those aspects healthy is to always train my mind that health comes inside out. One thing that I would always do is when I wake up, I would always thank God for another day being here, because it is a blessing. The second thing that I would do is, of course, say hi to my parents, tell them we love them, because I always believe that life is too short. The third thing that I would do, of course, is to train my mind to disregard all the negativity around me. Thank you.
Thank you. The last candidate, number 20.
Thank you very much, candidate number 20, and thank you very much, ladies. That was awesome.
That was a powerful question and answer portion.
Oh, walang kinabahan.
Wala.
Kasi ko ba, paano ka nag-prepare for Q&A?
You know, I think it's muscle memory talaga. Kung ano yung binabasa mo and how composed you are. And kaya nga sinabi mo, you need to know yourself talaga from all the insecurities and your strength too.
That's very something right? Your mind is very powerful.
Yes, that's what
starts there.
Yes, that really starts there.
All right, looking very beautiful, ladies. But that concludes our question and answer portion.